Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to do a fall inspired makeup look. So I'm doing all red as you can see on the makeup look. So if you want to know how to achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. So today I'm just gonna go all red. That is my fall inspired color, and I'm just gonna go from light to dark. Very simple, very easy. The first color that I want to go in with is by Bys, B-Y-S, and it's an Australian brand. And the first color I want to go in with is this. I'm gonna be using a round eyeshadow brush to apply that all over my lid. And then do the same on the other side. We're keeping it very simple today, so we're just going to be using two colors. And so now I want to go in with Makeup Revolution's Constellation palette, and I want to be using Mars. And I'm just going to take that in the outer corner of the eye. And I'm going to be using the same brush as before, so the round brush, and I'm just going to take that Mars color, get that right in the outer corner. I always bring it up into the crease. Now I want to bring that same color, the same Mars red, down to my lower lashes. So I want to use a flat brush this time and not a round one. I bring it forward about this much. Now you want to take the lighter red and do the inner corner until you meet the darker red. So you use the light color as before, the one you put all over your lid. And I use the same brush. I just cleaned off the excess. Now what I want to do is blend the eyeshadow. So what I'm going to do is blend the outer parts of the eyeshadow so that it isn't a harsh line to my skin. And I think that's it because the colors are kind of blended together the way I want them to. So I'm not going to touch where they meet on the eyelid, but I'm going to focus on around my eye. And I'm going to be using the Essence eyeshadow blender brush, and it looks like this one. Now the trick with blending, especially for this eyeshadow look, is that when you're blending down, you don't go down too far, so that when you blend up, you kind of get a more triangular shape at the corner. That's gonna be really good to have when you're putting on the eyeliner. It's gonna be a nice guide, basically. Now that the eyeshadow is done, and I am gonna do a little more cleanup on the edges. I want to do that after I've done my eyeliner, just because then I know exactly how it's gonna be and if I actually do need cleanup. So I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna use Dipliner ink by H&M, and it looks like this. I do have an eyeliner tutorial on how to get that winged eyeliner according to your eye shape, and I will link that up here. Now I want to go in and first curl my lashes. And then I want to go in with Maybelline's the Colossal Mascara, this one. And I'm going to be putting it on my upper and lower lashes. So now I want to go in with a eyeliner on my waterline, and I'm just going to use a regular one. It doesn't say the brand on it. So I'm just going to go in, and it looks like it has this kind of a tip. And I'm just going to go on my upper waterline and not on my lower one, just because I want to keep my eyes nice and open and let the eyeshadow speak and not the eyeliner, if that makes sense. Now what you want to do is take a very light color. So for me, I'm going to use H&M's eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the gold one, this one right here, and I'm going to put it in the inner corners of my eye. Now I just need to set it, and I'm going to be setting it with Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix. It looks like this. So this is the finished look. That is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or anything like that, then leave a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I post a new video. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!